By Krishna's omnipresence, He is always with us. If we're attached to Krishna's service, hearing and chanting, then we can feel the presence of Krishna in our lives. There's nothing in the world which is disconnected from the Lord. The only thing we have to learn is how to excavate the source of connection and thus be linked with Krishna by offenseless service. Sometimes we say, oh, I'm stuck here in college and so far from Radhakund, away from the devotees, and I want to be in Radhakund. But that means that we're in Maya, because there's nothing in this world which is disconnected from Krishna. We have to learn how to excavate the source of connection. In other words, search for Krishna. Search for Krishna. He Radhe Vrajadevi Ki Chilalite He Nandasunakuta Shri Govardhana Kava Parapatale Kalindi Vani Kata Goshantavati Sarvata Vrajapure Kada Mahavivala Ande Rupa Sanatana Ruvigo Srijiva Gopalago. The Goswamis were wandering all over Vrindavan. They were searching for Krishna in Vrindavan.